Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. We are back with our Tecno Watch 3 Active. On our previous video, we showed you the steps on how to connect it with Android smartphone. On this video, we'll show you the process on how to pair it with our iPhone. Okay, let's see if it will work with our iOS platform or iPhone. So again, it is using the My Health application. We have here the QR code. It is compatible with Android and iOS platform. Again, on this video, we are going to pair it with our iPhone. So let's see if it will work and let's see if we can connect it easily. Again, if you are interested to get the Tecno Watch 3 Active and you want to connect it with iPhone, watch this video, and again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and pair or set up our Tecno Watch 3 Active with our iOS platform or the iPhone. So let's open the App Store. We can also scan the QR code here. We have the QR code here. We are going to reset this again. We have here the QR code of the app. Let's wait for it to reboot. As you can see here, we have the English language and we have the QR code. So let's just search. Okay, you can scan this or just search it here on the App Store. Just search My Health app. My Health. So we have here the My Health. Then we have the application here, My Health. Tap on to download. Download the app. Then let's wait for the installation of the My Health app for our iPhone. So it works flawlessly with Android smartphone and easy to set up. Let's see if it's the same with our iPhone. It's now downloading, installing. The download is almost complete. It will automatically install it in our iOS platform or iPhone. Alright, so we're done. Let's open the app. Okay, allow to activate our Bluetooth here. Allow the permission for notification. Then select welcome. Okay, agree to our privacy policy and user agreement. You can also set your profile or skip. Let's skip this one. Ask app not to track. Okay, we'll not allow to record our activities here. Then select devices. Select add. Okay, it is asking to log in. Let's log in with our email. We already have an account to My Health application, so we'll just use our email. Okay, we'll log in, then we'll log in and we'll show you the steps on how to pair your smartwatch. Okay, so we have successfully registered or logged in on My Health app with our email account. Okay, so select add to search for your smartwatch. Let's see. So searching for nearby devices. If we cannot find our smartwatch here or if it will not show, we'll try to reset our wearable again. Settings, go to the system, reset. Let's see, and now as you can see, we do have here the Tecno Watch 3 active. Select the smartwatch, it is now pairing. Let's see if we do have an agreement here. Yes. And we have here access to our location. Allow once. Allow the notification permission. And as you can see, we are connected. Let's see. Search wearable devices. And we have it here. It's working. Okay, so everything works here. Let's see for the push notification. So let's activate some of the apps here. Turn it on. How about the Facebook, the Instagram? Remember, we already set the permissions. And the WhatsApp application. Okay, go back. So we have here other settings. We have the camera control, awake time, let's set it to 20. Time format, let's set to 12-hour format time, and that's it. So seems like everything is okay for our smartwatch. Okay, the Tecno Watch 3 active. So as you can see, very easy to pair, no issues at all. All you have to do is just register an account. Then after that, if you are having a hard time pairing or the smartwatch is not showing, just reset, restart, and that's it. Go back to pairing again. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. Again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.